Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you my calm evening routine. Very first thing I like to do in evening is to clean and arrange everything. Today I am changing my bedsheet. I really like aroma of washed bedsheet. It gives such a good vibes. I'm also going to show you a small grocery haul of the items I bought in morning. I just love to try different type of cookies and biscuits to enjoy with my tea. I'm not a big fan of a green tea, but today I bought peppermint green tea. Hope I will like it. The best part of evening is to have a cup of tea with your loved one. Evening always permit ones to stop thinking about the bitter fears of their day and get ready for the stunning night. Whether it be your best friend, your family members, or even your love, never leave a chance to remind them how much you adore them. good book and a cup of tea works wonder on my state of mind. It lights up a dull, boring day. It provides me a solace after a tough day. So pick up a good book and grab a cup of tea and be transported to another world. I wash my dishes ASAP to avoid later procrastination. In India, almost every household has a custom of lighting a deepam or diya twice a day. This is a part of a prayer. There is a deeper significance to the diya. The oil in the diya symbolizes the dirt in the human mind, such as greed, jealousy, hatred, lust, which human beings tend to nurture. The cotton in the diya is symbolic of the Atma or the self or the soul. The diya presents light when the oil is burned by the wick. Hence, lighting of diya signifies that one needs to get rid of the selfish and materialistic thoughts. Another part of my evening routine is to worship Tulsi, that is holy basil. It is a plant which is considered as mother medicine of nature. It's been revered since ancient time as an herb that can promote a healthy body, mind and spirit. The sacred plant is often planted around Hindu shrines. The name Tulsi means the incomparable one. My mom would also grind the leaves and give it to us with honey when we had cough. To this day, Tulsi leaves are still used for its medicinal properties. I was craving for something sweet to eat, hence ordered red velvet cake. While having my cake, I thought of editing my YouTube videos. I really love editing videos. I know staying at home has become difficult for all of us, but that's the only thing that is keeping us safe, right? COVID has not only affected people physically but also mentally. Do not think of quarantine as a burden. Think of it as a time to love yourself and the time to bond with your friends and families. I hope you liked my video. If you liked it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll meet you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe and stay home.